Hello everyone. So, how are you guys? I hope you all are great. So, today we are back again with another video, and let's just go and see what we are going to know today. So, we are on GitHub. Okay, so let me tell you what we are going to learn today. So, today we are going to learn about GitHub dorking, so for bug bounty hunting and penetration testing. Okay, so it will be a very simple, practical guide so that you can find sensitive information on GitHub and that can turn into useful recon for bug bounties. Okay, so I'll not just say anything else like do this and that. I'll explain what to do, how to do it, and what to report. So it is great for beginners. So let me just give you an overview about it. So GitHub has like it contains accidental secrets like API keys, database strings, credentials, and in this manual GitHub dorking, which uses smart search terms and logics, will help you find those leaks. So you can also refer to some tools that can automate the boring process. But if you want to be ahead of this game, you will need to look for manual ways to hunt on that those programs. Okay, so let me tell you why GitHub matters for bug bounty hunters. So, you know that developers push code all the time, and sometimes they actually accidentally or like the repo can be private at that time, and after some time it will be it goes public. So they forgot about it. So they push secrets. Okay, and those secrets can let an attacker uh, who can authenticate to services, access internal systems, or you can say send messages on behalf of the company. So that will make GitHub one of the easiest place to find high impact bugs. And with that, if you know how to search on GitHub, you can earn like you can be ahead of the game. Okay, so let's start our today's video. So let's just go and search about any target on which we need to hunt on. So let's just go into some, I think, program, and we'll just okay. Let's try to find out about Apple. Okay, so we have, I think, apple.com. Yes. Okay, wait, not this one. Apple.com. Yeah, this is the website. So what we are going to do is we are going to we will be going on GitHub, and let's just search for what you are going to search is org, that is Apple. Let's just see if we found anything. Okay, so this is the Apple's verified that repo, but you can also do like on Google and go site github.com and app wait sorry apple.com, and let me just do this. Okay, now you can get a number of repos this company has, like the program you're on which you are hunting. Okay, and you can also get common languages that are being used and which users are linked to the organization. So this will help you understand where to focus. So I've told you like the stuff on which you can do this, like how to do it. Also you can do is site uh, apple.com. These are related to apple.com, or you can do something like as I told you, org apple. Okay, and let's just do site apple.com. And what we are going to do is you need to sort by recently indexed. Okay, because when you search code, like you should choose recently indexed instead of best match, because old credentials are likely to be expired and the fresh results will matter. So use the GitHub search filter like sort index indexed test, like this. And now you can see these are recently updated ones. Okay, so site rebuild, you can just go into them and try to find if we found anything related to that, okay, about the website. So you can use the right docs for uh, getting started. Like if you are new to GitHub dogging, so you should know about it. So you can use docs like some beginner friendly docs. So you can start with some of these. So let's just say site apple.com, and let's just search for API and keys. Let's just try this. Okay, okay, API keys, API key, nothing. Okay, we can just go on to not site, we just go org apple and API key. Okay, if we have API key to the client, we can just get if we have anything here. Okay, we have used API keys and all that. So let's just do OAuth repositories code. If you, okay, I haven't signed up, let me just do it real quick. So let me see if I have received any code. Okay, I have received. Let it verify. Okay, now site apple.com and OAuth. If you can find anything here, mm, site apple.com. Okay, we haven't found anything. No problem. You can just type API token. Okay, let me just switch it a bit so that you guys can see it. Okay, now we have searched for API token. Let's just do client ID. Anything? You can also search for database passwords, users, or something like that. Client ID and Apple. Okay, great. Do we have something which we can use? So you guys can search on this and find if there are any IDs or something like that. Okay, let's just do this. Which programming language are they working on? So it is Python. We can just do search for site apple.com. Let me just do one thing, star, and if we found anything like file name, that is SQL. So we can search for org. No problem. You can search for language specific, or you can go for wildcard, that is star dot apple dot star. Let's search this if we found anything. uh, if we okay, wait. So we can do is apple, like if you found anything that is that you don't need, so that can be apple. Okay, wait. Password, that is not www.apple, not. If we have something like test.apple, let's search it, and this will search for passwords but will not include www.apple or something like that. So you can use like org, the filter, that is org apple, and to limit results to repositories that are owned by the organization. Okay, after that you can search for user, if you know any user and the username of that. So let's just do one thing. We have many users. Let's just do this one. uh, let's search his username. Okay, user, this, and you can combine keywords and language qualifiers, like keywords like API key, and let's search if he has anything related to this. Okay, no problem. So you can go and find a repo, like any repository on which you are interested on. Let's just do one thing. Let's go to this Apple overview, any repository you want to find, and after that you can just clone this and grep for payloads. So while cloning it, I'll not clone any repository. After that, in when you have cloned it, you can just do grep dash and you can search for password or secret API key client secret and like that. Okay, so you can do this and grep it. Okay, wait, I have found many things because I'm on to my home directory and it may have many things. So you can also inspect the commit history. So it sometimes, like, secrets are removed, but those are still existing in git history. So you can just do one thing: git log dash all dash s and secret, and then pretty one line, or you can just git show the hash and part to the file. Okay, you can just view those. So there are many useful tools that you can use, but here we are only for the manual ways. So one more thing which you can do is, like, I have a tool, you may be knowing about it, this bug bounty search engine. So if you search for any, like, apple.com, and you can just view if these have anything that is related to you. Wait. Okay. Okay, so you can you need not to remember each of them every time. Okay, so what you can do is, let me just open redirects. We can create something like this only. I'll teach you that also if you need on another video. So I hope for today's video this is enough for today. As also, if you want to learn deeper in it, so you can go on to Medium, and I have written a post on this. Okay, so this is my post, so you can watch it and, like, read it and learn about it. So that will be also beneficial for you, so you can go and watch it. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please uh, uh, show some love and like this, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share to someone who is in need for this. Okay, so okay, bye bye, let's meet in another video. Till then, happy hacking, bye bye, and thanks for watching.